Here is Vincent laying on the couch.
You tired, buddy? A big hard day of laying on the couch earlier, huh?
We're open late so you can visit after work. And all of our practices are open on Saturdays.
Why don't you make my dentist your dentist?
800-47-SMART. Obamacare will kill jobs. Sherrod Brown was a decided vote for Obamacare. Brown was the architect of the controversial motion. After 2.2 million Ohioans rejected government-run health care, Brown said the vote doesn't tell us anything. Sherrod, what planet are you on? Call Sherrod Brown. Tell him to support the review of Obamacare.
You're getting really close. He just doesn't care. Because he looks gorgeous right now. He's a gorgeous man right now.
Good boy, Vinny.